Value types and reference types are two broad types in C#. If you are familiar with C and C++, then you can think of reference types as that hold address of objects created on a heap memory. In contrast, the value types hold an object. These concepts are far too complex for a beginner's tutorial, so I'll try to explain them from a practical standpoint. Class, interface, delegate, and record are used to declare reference types. C# provides three built-in reference types: string, object, and dynamic. String you must be already knowing, object is the general purpose base class, and about dynamic we'll talk about when we talk about the topic of dynamics. Let's write a program that helps us understand the basic concept with an example. We start by writing the main function. Declare a variable of a class type. Assume that we have a class CMyClass declared somewhere in our project. If you are following this course, then you can obtain the project from the downloads attached to this video. A mere declaration stores a null into the variable. Next, we have used the new keyword to create an object. The object is created on the garbage collected heap. Its reference is stored in this identifier. After this, we have another identifier that stores the previous identifier. This points to the same object on the heap. It points to the same object on the heap. Nothing new has been created, only one object is existing. And lastly, we check whether both the references are equal. The function reference equals determines if two references point to the same object. If we run the project, we verify that both the variables point to the same object on the heap. Thus, reference types hold reference to the objects on a heap. Next, let's examine the behavior of a value type. Start writing a program once again. We have created a namespace, though it's not necessary. Write a simple struct to declare a value type, and then write the main program class and the main function. Next, declare a struct. Create an instance of a struct. Notice that we have used the new keyword here also. Next, create a variable of the same struct and assign the previous object to this variable. This assignment causes a new object to be created. This is how the value types differ from reference types. We have two objects at this point. The assignment has caused the creation of a new object, a new value. Next, we can verify the equality of references. We verify that the two objects are indeed different. Let's take another example. We shall write another program to understand value types. First, we create an instance of a struct. Next, we have set its data member to a value of 10. After that, another struct is created from this struct by using assignment. But since a struct is a value type, we get two objects at this point. Change the value of the first struct to 30 now. Print the value. It should print 30. And lastly, print the value of the second struct. It should print 10. Hence, both the structs are different and contain their respective data. Run the program to verify that the two objects indeed contain their respective data. All structs are value types. Enumerations are also value types. Various built-in types are value types. Like integral types such as int, short, long are value types. Floating point numbers such as double, float, they are also value types. Bool is a value type and the char is also a value type. With this we close our tutorial. Thank you.